Qualcomm just unveiled AI agents at Computex 2026, but what does it mean for solo founders? Let's break it down. As a solo founder, staying ahead of the curve is crucial. With the recent unveiling of Qualcomm's AI agents at Computex 2026, it's essential to understand how to leverage this technology to streamline your workflow. In this video, we'll provide a step-by-step guide on how to integrate AI agents into your daily tasks, using Qualcomm's latest innovations. First, let's understand what AI agents are and how they can benefit solo founders. AI agents are essentially virtual assistants that can perform tasks autonomously, freeing up time for more strategic and creative work. With Qualcomm's AI agents, solo founders can automate tasks such as data entry, email management, and even social media scheduling. For instance, I recently used an AI agent to automate my email responses, which saved me around 2 hours per day. To get started, you'll need to access Qualcomm's AI agent platform, which is currently available for beta testing. You can sign up for the beta program on their website and follow the instructions to set up your AI agent. Once you've set up your AI agent, it's time to integrate it into your workflow. One of the most effective ways to do this is by using tools like Zapier or N8N to connect your AI agent to other apps and services. For example, you can use Zapier to connect your AI agent to your email client, allowing it to automatically respond to routine emails. You can also use N8N to connect your AI agent to your project management tool, enabling it to assign tasks and track progress. I've found that using these tools has significantly streamlined my workflow, allowing me to focus on high-priority tasks. To illustrate this, let's consider a scenario where you're a solo founder who needs to manage multiple social media accounts. Your AI agent can be programmed to automatically post updates, respond to comments, and even analyze engagement metrics, freeing up time for more strategic work. Another key benefit of Qualcomm's AI agents is their ability to learn and adapt to your workflow over time. As you use your AI agent, it will begin to recognize patterns and preferences, allowing it to make more accurate predictions and automate tasks more effectively. For instance, if you regularly schedule social media posts at a certain time of day, your AI agent will learn to anticipate this and automatically prepare the posts for you. To take full advantage of this feature, it's essential to provide your AI agent with high-quality training data. This can include sample emails, social media posts, or other relevant data that will help your AI agent learn your tone, style, and preferences. I've found that using tools like Grammarly and Jasper to refine my writing style has significantly improved my AI agent's performance. One of the most significant advantages of using Qualcomm's AI agents is their ability to integrate with other tools and services. For example, you can use your AI agent to automate tasks in Notion, a popular productivity app. You can also use your AI agent to generate content using tools like copy.ai or Descript. I've found that using these tools in conjunction with my AI agent has significantly streamlined my content creation process, allowing me to produce high-quality content more efficiently. To illustrate this, let's consider a scenario where you're a solo founder who needs to create a series of social media posts. Your AI agent can be programmed to automatically generate the posts using copy.ai and then schedule them using Notion. As with any new technology, there are potential drawbacks to consider when using Qualcomm's AI agents. One of the most significant concerns is data security. Since AI agents will have access to sensitive data, it's essential to ensure that your AI agent is secure and compliant with relevant regulations. To mitigate this risk, Qualcomm has implemented robust security measures, including encryption and access controls. I've found that using tools like Behave to manage my data has significantly improved my security posture. Another concern is the potential for AI agents to replace human workers. However, I believe that AI agents will augment human capabilities rather than replace them. By automating routine tasks, solo founders can focus on high-priority tasks that require creativity, strategy, and problem-solving. To get the most out of Qualcomm's AI agents, it's essential to monitor and evaluate their performance regularly. This can include tracking metrics such as task completion rate, accuracy, and response time. By analyzing these metrics, you can identify areas for improvement and fine-tune your AI agent's performance. I've found that using tools like ClickUp to track my AI agent's performance has significantly improved my ability to optimize its workflow. Additionally, it's essential to provide ongoing training and support to your AI agent to ensure that it continues to learn and adapt to your workflow. This can include providing feedback, updating training data, and adjusting parameters to optimize performance. In conclusion, Qualcomm's AI agents have the potential to revolutionize the way solo founders work. By automating routine tasks, providing insights, and augmenting human capabilities, AI agents can help solo founders achieve more with less. To get started, it's essential to understand the benefits and limitations of AI agents, and to develop a strategy for integrating them into your workflow. I've found that using tools like Pictory and Synthesia to create engaging content has significantly improved my ability to communicate with my audience. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can unlock the full potential of Qualcomm's AI agents and take your solo founder business to the next level. As we look to the future, it's clear that AI agents will play an increasingly important role in the solo founder ecosystem. With the ability to automate tasks, provide insights, and augment human capabilities, AI agents have the potential to unlock new levels of productivity and efficiency. To stay ahead of the curve, it's essential to stay informed about the latest developments in AI agent technology. I've found that using tools like Perplexity and Runway to stay up to date with the latest AI research has significantly improved my ability to innovate and adapt. By following the latest trends and advancements, solo founders can unlock the full potential of AI agents and achieve their goals more effectively. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more about how to integrate AI agents into your workflow,